So a lot of homeowners ask about financing options, and it is becoming more and more popular. About 1 in 5 of our homeowners do financing through us. About a third of our clients do financing on their own. And so what they do is they tap into a HELOC loan. So they basically have equity within their home. It's very common for homeowners to tap into a line of equity. For financing options, about the 1 in 5 homeowners do us that finance, overwhelmingly our most popular is 18 months no interest, which means as long as you qualify, as long as you meet the, we use a couple different financing options. They pay us and then you make monthly payments. As long as you pay off the 18 months, there's no interest. So that's really common for homeowners, especially at the end of the year. So we're sitting here in January now having this conversation. A lot of our clients in December were like, hey, we'll call you in March. We can't wait to get started, in late spring, early summer. I had to tell them, hey, for what it's worth, just know Hardy's going up 10%, materials, labor's going up, accessories are going up double digits sometimes. Your job's probably going to cost an extra $3,000 to $4,000 if you call me in 40 days versus today. So in that case, we have a lot of homeowners who say, well, either I got to make some payments to my kid's 529 plan, or I'm waiting to see, do I owe my from taxes, or I get a big bonus end of the year in February. A lot of those clients are financing they're still going to do the work. They're just taking advantage of the price increases, not to pay $3,000 to $4,000 more now. So we have a lot of clients do that. We do have some clients that do have some real issues with their siding. They need to get it done and they just don't have the money. And so we do have some longer term options, stuff like 84, 100, 120 months with interest financing. It's not as popular because obviously no one likes paying interest, but it does allow them to fix the problem, get a quality product, and then not sacrifice on materials or workmanship or hiring a cheap, shady contractor. So interest rates are determined by it's no different than you buy a car, you buy a house. They're all going to be set basically based on the bond market. And then the interest rates through me or anyone else are all going to be basically the same.